and welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about informational HTTP response status codes. These status codes are greater than 99 and less than 200. We will cover some of the most widely used HTTP status codes in the series of 1xx. The first one is 100. 100 says continue. Whenever a server is sending back 100 continue status code to the client, it is essentially saying I am receiving your request. Please continue sending your request. This is a interim response from the server side. There might be some situations in which we want to send a request of size 500 MB. In such situations, after every 5 MB or 7 MB or 10 MB, server sends a response back to client with 100 that yes, you should continue and I am receiving your request. One of the classical example is when we are uploading a very large size file to a server, the server sends back 100 continue response to the client as a interim response just to confirm that yes, server is getting your request and you should continue sending your request to the server. After the upload is done or the request is complete, the server should send the final response back to the client. This is all about 100 continue status. Let's move to the another one status 101. 101 says when server sends a response as 101 switching protocols, it is essentially saying to the client that you are using a certain protocol but we may use a better version. For example, if client is using HTTP 1.0 and server and client both are capable of using HTTP 1.1, then server may send back a response with 101 that we can switch protocols for better connections. So we understand that 101 HTTP response status code is used by servers to switch protocols. Let's move to the next response status code, that is 102. Whenever a server is sending back response code 102 processing, it is saying to the client that I have received your request and I am processing it and I need more time. For example, we have uploaded a video on a server and on server we are analyzing the sentiments of video. Sentiment analysis is a computational heavy process for which server will need some time to complete. In such cases, when we are requesting for the response from the server, server should respond back with 102 processing if the analysis is still under process. We also have HTTP status code 103 early hints. It is similar to 102, but in 103 server not only tells the client that the request is under processing but also sends back some useful information like HTTP response headers. This is most widely used for resumable HTTP request like put or post. We have HTTP status code 122, which stands for Request URI is too long. Please note that this status is specific to Internet Explorer version 7. If we are sending a GET request having length greater than 2032 characters, then Internet Explorer says Request URI is too long. So in this video, we have covered all the informational HTTP response status codes.